Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You need power and pairing mode first. Charge the Srhythm to at least half or leave it plugged in. Low battery can prevent pairing. Once charging is adequate, enable Bluetooth on your phone, tablet, or PC and turn off other nearby Bluetooth audio devices to avoid conflicts. Then put the headphones into pairing mode by pressing the power or Bluetooth button until the LED blinks rapidly. This indicates the unit is discoverable. Make sure you hear a tone or see an indicator before moving on. Now pair. On your device, open Bluetooth settings and scan. Keep the headphones within about 10 feet and avoid obstructions. When you see the Srhythm model name appear, tap to connect. If a pairing code appears, accept or enter 0000/1234 depending on model. This step ensures a secure link. Once connected, select the Srhythm as the audio output and play a short clip to verify left/right channels and volume. If audio is weak, adjust device. Finish by optimizing the connection. Check for firmware updates in the Srhythm app and install them. Updates fix bugs and improve compatibility. Once updated, pair again and confirm stable playback. If the connection drops or audio stutters, reset the headphones by holding the power and volume buttons for about 8 to 10 seconds to clear old pairings, then repair. If issues continue, try a different source device to isolate the problem. This helps determine whether the headphone or original device caused the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.